Whether you're a startup with limited staff or a public company with sprawling operations, land administration is complex. And if you're relying on a small internal team, it's easy to fall behind on things like obligation payments, new lease setups, or ownership changes. Small companies often lack the bandwidth. Large companies battle scale and consistency. Either way, the risk is the same: delayed actions, costly errors, and stressed-out teams who don't have the support they need. EAG solves this with flexible outsourcing built for any scale. We handle everything from lease maintenance and well setups to ownership changes and discrepancy resolution, treating your assets as if they were our own. You get the coverage and expertise you need without adding overhead, and your internal team finally gets room to focus on strategy, growth, and high-value initiatives. No matter your size, EAG has your back office handled.